Everyone, welcome back. So Arya shocks the entire Vardhan family by revealing that Yash misbehaved with Mira. While everyone refuses to believe it because Yash is mentally childlike, Arya insists he saw Yash pulling Mira's sari and even Jende confirms what happened. Anu tries to convince Arya that it must have been a misunderstanding, but Arya feels ashamed and says he cannot ignore what he witnessed, especially because Mira is his friend and colleague. Meanwhile, Harsh and Anu question Yash, who innocently explains that he was working on a file when he accidentally held Mira's sari and she scolded him. Just as the family decides to apologize to Mira, shocking news break on television. CCTV footage of the incident has gone viral and Yash has been accused of molesting Mira. The family is devastated as their reputation is dragged through the mud. Arya immediately orders Shendy to find out who leaked the footage while making sure Mira is safe. As the scandal spreads, even Pushpa and Gopal sees the news. They refuse to believe Yash could intentionally do something so terrible and worry about the damage being done to the family. Back at home, Yash breaks down, fearing Arya will throw him out. Arya, however, tells him that if he truly made a mistake, he should publicly apologize to Mira in front of the media. Soon, reporters gather outside the house. Arya addresses them, saying Yash never had criminal intentions but will still apologize. Before Yash can speak, Mira arrives and asks to talk to him privately. Yash apologizes with tears in his eyes. Mira then shows him a drawing he made for her, asks if he drew it and if he loves her. Yash quietly nods yes. When they return outside, everyone expects Mira to expose Yash. Instead, she surprises everyone by telling the media that Yash had no bad intentions and the incident was simply an accident. The reporter leaves and the family's public image is saved. But just when Arya thinks the nightmare is over, Mira drops a shocking bombshell. She tells him she didn't reveal the whole truth and shows him Yash drawing with the words I love you written on it. Arya is left speechless as he realizes the situation may be far more complicated than anyone imagined. Mira may have protected Yash in public, but her latest revelation leaves Arya questioning everything and sets the stage for an even bigger emotional battle ahead. Thank you for watching. Bye.